Now tell me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on waiting.
Hi there, we're at Heavenly Hawaii Coffee Farm. It's on the side of a mountain. Very hilly.
I'm drowning, I'm fighting whatever can be found, 'cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
So it's about a 4-year cycle for these. And there are arguments about who prunes in different ways. So other farmers might do a different method. For now, I want you to discard the word coffee. Concentrate on 100% and Kona. Here's the important part. There should be no alterations, changes, or any breaks or words added or anything. Because if you do, you're getting around the state law. Okay? For example, 100% can't be spelled out in words. It must be numbers with a percent sign. You can't have a hyphen between percent and Kona. Tricks, you just don't catch it.
Silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning, I'm fighting whatever can be found, 'cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable.
Oh yeah, you might want to turn around. Smell the coffee. Alrighty. And then the other thing I've done is I've heated water up to about 204, 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Because we're also going to go ahead and wet the filter. By doing that, I'm making sure that, first of all, I'm getting rid of any of the weird papery flavors. Now right here, I'm going to go ahead and pour in our coffee. Now as soon as the coffee touches the hot and wet filter right here, it's actually going to go ahead and start brewing. So I'm going to try to brew it as fast as possible, or get started as fast as possible. This right here is called the bloom. The bloom is when the water and the coffee first touch. I'm gonna bloom for about 30 seconds, and I've got my timer going, and this is gonna be a really good time to smell your coffee too, if you wanna go ahead and smell your coffee.
Oh, I can smell it from here. That's amazing.
So what's happening right now is carbon dioxide is actually being released from the coffee grounds. So what's brewing down here is actually gonna be a little bitter because it's brewed with the carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide just causes a really, really bitter chemical reaction. So that's the other reason why I use water temperature about 205 is because I want to make sure that I'm producing a proper chemical reaction. And if you use water that's a slightly lower temperature, it might actually draw out a more sour or a more bitter coffee.
Okay.
So 205, somewhere between 195 and 205 is going to be your perfect temperature depending on what you're trying to extract out.
Okay.
If you want to bring out the fruity flavors, would you actually go over and hand me the Kona sweet, please? Yeah. If you want to extract out a lot of the fruity flavors, you're going to want to try to use something a little bit closer to 195. If you want to extract out the nutty flavors or the savory flavors, you're going to do a little higher.
Okay.
Exactly. This one is one that I'd use closer to 195 for. It's called our Kona Sweet.
Oh.
It's our bold coffee that's been naturally processed, and it's amazing.
You can smell the difference. Yeah.
Huge difference.
Yeah, you can.
You actually have a
that's
fruity
amazing.
smell to
Thank
that.
you.
Oh yeah, so that's one of our only naturally processed coffees, so we dry it with the cherry skin still on
Oh,
it.
okay.
Yep, it's really good. So.
It's very clear.
They're fun
Very
glasses.
clear. They are.
We use a really good French chocolate, and these are dark chocolate or white chocolate, okay? These are the only ones that have mega caffeine, so watch yourself. The rest of them might have a little bit, some of them, but not so bad. This is the only main one, okay? All right.
Awesome.
Enjoy, guys.
Thank you.
I want one of these orange.
Perfect honey pick.
We've got, you have a friend on it.
Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
truly remarkable life.
Hey, Remarkable Lifers, this is Craig.
And KJ.
And we are here today to tell you about a special offer from Heavenly Hawaiian. Right now, if you order before April 7th, 2020, you can get 10% off of a $100 order. We're offering this to you through Heavenly Hawaiian. It is not something that we're sponsored for. They're offering this to you, our viewers, especially for our Remarkable Lifers. Definitely check it out online. They have a lot of different types of coffee, special reserve blends, those types of things.
And candy.
And some of the best coffee I've ever had. Not sure if they deliver the candy, but we'll check it out.
Go to www.heavenlyhawaiian.com and enter coupon code TRL10 and the %.
Yeah, TRL 10%, and you'll see the discount code right somewhere here. So definitely check it out. It's excellent coffee, and thank you to Heavenly Hawaiian for offering you guys a special deal. All right, back to the video.
Go get your coffee on.
I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on